right, let's take a look at this mouse pad. All right, this is a large mouse pad, beautiful design. They have different designs, very slick. I like to keep my keyboard in here when I'm playing games. I don't have to worry about getting out the mat itself. I have everything in here. I got my timer, my monitor, my light, and everything looks very beautiful atmosphere with this for gaming or work. It's very thick to begin with. It has that rubber end at the bottom, so it's not going to be movable. It's going to stay fixed in one area. And this is very soft. It's a mouse pad. It's a giant mouse pad. You guys can see, and it stretches up pretty good. You could roll it out if you want to move somewhere else. You can do that. The design is like more like an Aurora design. So when you're playing your games with your mouse, controlling your system, it looks great. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.